Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the high knees. This ladder drill is about as basic as they come, but it's one that you got to throw in there because not a lot of people know how to use a ladder, so we're going to show it anyways. Alright, so coming to the front of the ladder, you're just going to go through and try to keep your knees as high as possible. Try to get them to a 90-degree angle if you can. Don't worry about speed until you've accomplished this one. So make sure that you're working on the form, getting everything correctly. So you're getting your knees way up here, nice and high, driving with the arms. Good, then you would come turn around. This ladder is shortened, so it's a little bit different than you'd be doing if you're doing the full ladder. So see how I'm getting all the way up to that 90 degrees, really emphasizing the knees, because if you're going through, you're gonna start to drop the knees, and what's the point? So even as I'm gonna go a little bit faster, still really high knees, and hopefully my mic is staying on. Not a good one for the wireless mic, but good. Just trying to get both feet in each box. Very simple drill.